Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area. Update right now. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment, exactly at the front of the beach, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Okay, now we are at the front Kuta beach. You see that's the Kuta beach. Okay, we continue driving and we will have a look how the situation at the moment in this area. Yeah, this is just real time. I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta area. This is the Hard Rock. Yeah, some taxi parking there. That's really good. Yeah, this is the Hard Rock Cafe. Still look quiet, isn't it? Yesterday was quite busy because yesterday is weekend, but today is more quiet. It's really hot today. Okay, at the front left side, usually lots of people parking motorbike here. This is motorbike parking area. And usually I was busy during the afternoon, but yeah, during the day it's still too hard for them because local people doesn't want to be under sun too long time. Hard Rock, yeah, there's the sign. Okay, now we continue driving to explore how the situation at the moment in Kuta area. This is Mercure Hotel right side. Yeah, some tourists there, that's good. Local domestic tourism. See? Mercure Hotel look busy. There is a lot of car parking there. And beside Mercure, there is Starbucks. And some people there. That's really good. You see that? Yeah. And now we are in Heritage Hotel. No one car parking in this area. Maybe the people just going make tour in Bali. So it looks very quiet. Yeah, this is another hotel. Kuta Bex. I hope you are missing Bali, and if you see this video, you will know how the real situation at the moment in this area. Okay, this is Poppies Line 1 right there. If I go there, this is Poppies Line 1, but look very quiet because all the shop right there is still closed. Yes. Continue driving. That is Kuta Beach. To enter into Kuta Beach, you must scan the barcode with the Peduli Lindungi application. Okay, now we continue driving. This is Kuta Bali. Kuta Seaview Hotel, Kuta Seaview Resort actually. Yeah, there's some car parking there. That's really good. Okay guys, we continue driving to explore more around Kuta. And if you see motorbike around here, this is mean like local tourism, they come to the beach, Kuta Beach. Because on the left side there is a Kuta Beach. Halo Debbie Channel dari Malang, terima kasih Mbak Puri. Jos Kak, terima kasih. Yeah. Okay, we continue driving. If I turn right here, this is Poppies Line 2. Yeah. This is Poppies Line 2. There's some shop already open today. That's really good. Okay, now we continue driving. And I will show you how like the situation at the moment. At the front, the biggest mall in Kuta area. We call Beach Walk. You see, right side. There's like some cafe there. Yesterday was really busy in this area, and a lot of traffic jam yesterday because on the weekend in this area I was busy. Yeah, this is the parking area. people they go to Kuta Beach, and some people they go to the mall, Beach Walk Mall. Yeah, you see right side, there is the entrance to go to Beach Walk Mall. Yeah, look not so busy because not on the weekend. Dapur bakso. Siap bang, lancar bang, amin bang. This is the beach walk and turn for the parking area for the car right there. Yeah. Okay guys, we continue driving to see how look in Kuta area today. This is some cafe. I've been there a few times before, and there was some live music right there at the front there. Yeah. This is the stage for live music. Yeah, but today's look very quiet. There's no people there. It's very quiet. Okay. Now we continue driving. Ya, betul nggak tuh an. And this the parking area. If you bring the car, you can parking in this area. Yeah, this is the parking area for the car. If you go to Kuta Beach. Okay, guys. Now we continue driving to explore more around Kuta. If you see the weather today, it looks so beautiful. I mean, it's very clear. Some sky, but very beautiful. And okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people missing this area for sure. Tempat yang tadi yang ada bule buka baju. Itu juga ada itu. Ya. Yeah. Buka baju di mana-mana. You see left side, there is motorbike and car parking in this area. That's really good. I'm really happy because today I see a lot of tourists. They go to the beach, and you see, this is Mamaka restaurant. Yeah, some people there. Mamaka restaurant. Yeah, that's really good. I'm really happy because Bali getting busy, and we hope together this pandemic will be over as soon as possible, so people can be live like normally as before, and Bali business going up again. Okay guys, we continue driving. Maybe at the end of this video, if you have any requests, I will stop on the beach. Just tell me, I will do that for you, no problem. Stone Hotel, the Stone one, the Stone Hotel. It's a very big hotel there, very beautiful site. I've been there a few times. The floor, all like from the stone, even the wall. So beautiful, isn't it? The weather today. Okay, we continue driving. See how the beautiful this area. Maybe at the end I will have stopped a little bit to show you how look like the beach at the moment. I mean Kuta Beach. Maybe just right here. I want to show you a little bit about the beach. Okay, we stop for a few minutes. Okay, welcome to Kuta Beach. It's quite busy now. That's really good. Some people playing surfing right there. Yeah. So this is Kuta Beach. It's very beautiful, isn't it? The weather, the blue ocean, the blue sky, and some people playing surfing right there on the ocean. Yeah. So this is Kuta Beach. Some people come in, but not so busy like before. I mean, like before the pandemic for sure. But it's much better than before. I mean, like some people come to the beach today. Okay. And then I will continue driving on Malaysia Street. If you're interested about Malaysia Street, just keep in touch because I want to show you how the beautiful that area, and that area they have like art market, and I want to show you how they situation at the moment art market in Malaysia Street. Okay, back to motorbike and drive again. I can say sorry brother and my sister because my English was not really good, because since 2 years ago I not use my English language very often because there was no tourist in Bali, but I try to give you information and I hope you understand it. Okay, there's the Pullman Hotel and there's a lot of car parking there inside. That's really good. Looks so busy, isn't it? Okay. This Kuta, yeah. Look very beautiful. Very blue ocean. Hello, how are you? Where do you come from? I have a lot of friends from Russia. His name is Kshusha. Yeah, and also you know fighting Habib.
Habib, oh, you know Habib?
Habib is very famous in Indonesia also because he have power. How long you been in Bali already?
2 weeks.
Already 2 weeks? You fly to Jakarta or to Bali? It's cheaper. It's cheaper there. If you fly to here, so sad. Hey, excuse me. Actually, I'm gonna say I'm driver here. I get a car, so maybe you need driver one day. I give you my business card. Is it fine?
Okay.
Yeah, sure. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay, I understand you.
Yeah, I'm working hard because now there is no tourists because this pandemic is happening.
But it will be
The-
the season in December, yes? It will be a lot of tourists.
Not really now because our government say they have limit for tourists coming to Bali. It's good for you because very quiet. How long are you gonna be in Bali for?
Maybe 2 months.
Oh, that's good enough.
Yes.
Sorry, brother. I give you my business card, so maybe we can keep in touch.
Okay.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Thank you.
This is yeah. If you need driver, I'm driver in Bali, so I know all about Bali for sure. So just like keep stay in touch.
Okay, maybe we would like to go into the Ubud
Sure,
and drive us, yes?
sure. In the Ubud we have like rice field, monkey forest, the waterfall, and everything. I will show you there.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, what's your name, brother?
Max,
Mike. Sorry, thank you very much, mate.
thank you.
Keep stay in touch. What's your name?
Julia.
Julia. Easy to remember.
Yes.
Have a good day, yeah? The weather is good for you. Very awesome.
Okay.
Okay, see you soon. Bye bye. I'm sorry. Take a break a little bit because, as I told you, I'm driver in Bali. So when there's the people, I mean the tourists, I just introduce myself and just give them my business card. It's so hard to get a customer now in Bali because since the pandemic happening, that's really bad for Bali actually. Okay, guys. Now we continue driving in Kuta area. I'm sorry, but I'm talking with the people there. I'm sorry. Yeah, you see right side, that is the Pullman Hotel. Yeah, very big hotel and very famous actually. Now we are in Malacca Street. Yeah, you see the left side, that's the big hotel because Legian Beach Hotel. There is the big hotel there. I've been inside before. My customers stay there, not me. I just dropped some tourists stay there. Okay, now we reach Kuta Art Market, yeah? Oh, thank you for your message. who was messaged me. I'm sorry because it's so strong the sign. I can see the message. Yeah, this is Kuta Art Market on Malasti Street. Looks so busy. There is a lot of car parking today. That's really good. Okay, yeah. So this is the station at the moment in Malasti Street, so in Kuta area. So if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, you can share this video. Okay, brother. Okay, sister. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye. How to stop?